Spot Stuff is powder, so it removes the stains without water quickly and easily, 3 to 5 minutes. Awesome. These jeans, we got salad dressing on. So if you're out and about, you're traveling, you don't have time to throw your pants in the washer after, or you simply just want an easier cleanup, I recommend flipping the pants inside out and applying the Spot Stuff that way, but you can absolutely do it from the front side, especially if you're gonna plan on washing it shortly after. Now, I'm gonna show you how we do it from the inside out first, and then we can always apply a little bit more on the front if we feel like we need it to remove the stain. So here you can see it, the oil has soaked through, and that's a good way to know that it's an oil stain. I just apply liberally to the stain, and I'm gonna simply rub it in. Now, this should be enough to get it all done from the inside out, but we can also wait a little bit and then flip the pants back to the other side and apply just a little bit more with our fingertips. But now I'm just gonna wait 5 minutes, and then I'm simply going to brush the pants off, and they're gonna be good as new again.